kabila ng busy sked, rock na rock pa rin si Heart Evangelista na nakipag-collab ng kanyang obra sa Incubus frontman na si Brandon Boyd. Pero hindi lang yan dahil nakibahagi rin si Heart sa Vogue Threads Manila 2024. Narito ang chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Art meets rock and roll once again. Breaking another border si Heart Evangelista nang makipag-collab muli with Brandon Boyd. Ang isa sa obra ni Heart sa saliwan ng painting skills ng Incubus frontman.
He has a company called Moonlight and he features different artists from all over the world, and I'm just very happy that, we have another round of collaboration. He painted over my painting and it's so beautiful. It's a limited edition, like limited only prints of on archival pieces.
Ngayong araw, kabilang si Heart sa mga panelist para sa Vogue Talks, Role of Social Media in Your Business ng Vogue Threads Manila 2024, kung saan kabilang sa mga nakasama niya ang Pinay social media darling na si Niana Guerrero.
Hi, nice to meet you. My daughter always watches your TikTok. Really? Yes.
Oh my God.
And she's such a huge fan.
I loved what she said because I feel like most of us here entered or started social media as a way of self-expression, hobby, and it has just grown into this massive worldwide stage where we can all connect and there are no more barriers or gates. We can all be friends. We can all kind of express ourselves, inspire each other.
At via online, ang Pinoy Pride na si Bretman Rock.
My content has kind of just evolved in a way as I've grown with new interests. I know, like you said, I did start in the beauty industry and I kind of graduated more into lifestyle and really anything that I'm interested at the moment. Unfortunately, it's chicken, and so everyone's just gonna have to get sick.
Kwento naman ni Heart, hindi raw dapat palampasin ang mga susunod na episodes ng Heart World. Kung nagulat daw ang marami sa revelations niya sa kanyang limited reality show sa nakalipas na mga linggo.
Especially the next 2 episodes, you will see some things na never namin pinag-usapan. Actually, next 3 episodes. It's intense. Basically, before there were fake news that were going around, now it will be addressed, and there are actually stolen footages that will be shown. So, nakaka-excite siya.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happening.